Do you ever wonder how much money you really need to retire comfortably? What if I told you $1 million could be within your reach right inside your Roth IRA? I'm Mark J. Kohler, CPA, attorney, best-selling author, and I've helped literally thousands of people from their very first $100 contribution to hitting that $1 million milestone inside a tax-free Roth IRA. I'm here to show you that building a $1 million Roth isn't just a dream or hype. It's absolutely doable with the right strategies. In this video, I'll walk you through what really works, what mistakes to avoid, and exactly how much you need to save based on your age so you can retire with confidence with $1 million waiting for you tax-free. Stick around till the end and you'll have a clear roadmap to building your $1 million Roth IRA. Let's get started. What is a Roth IRA and why does it matter? A Roth IRA is your personal retirement account. It's yours. It's portable and it goes with you wherever you go for the rest of your life. It's not maintained by your employer. Now for 2025, the annual contribution you can put in is $7,000 if you're under age 50 or $8,000 if you're 50 or over. Now a Roth could start as a Roth 401k at work or a traditional 401k, but when you roll it out, it becomes yours inside your Roth IRA. Now once you start building this account, whether it came from your employer or from you personally or both, the real power is that a Roth grows tax-free and comes out tax-free. It is also completely asset protected from a potential lawsuit. And here's another bonus. Contributions can always be withdrawn at any time with no penalty or taxes. You're never locked in to your contributions, but you want to leave those earnings alone, snowballing into that $1 million account. Now, let's compare the Roth account to a traditional IRA account. What makes a Roth different from a traditional IRA or traditional 401k is that with a traditional account, you get a tax deduction going in, but you pay tax on the way out. Both accounts grow either tax-free or tax-deferred. You can invest it and not pay tax along the way. But with a Roth, you pay the tax up front. You're going to contribute money you already paid tax on, but then it grows tax-free and comes out tax-free. That's the real power. Tax-free growth versus tax-deferred growth. Now, once you understand the basics of these two accounts, and you can already see the Roth IRA is the most powerful, we've got to get to that $1 million, and we've got to start saving and investing strategically. So the first key to reaching that $1 million is saving, and saving consistently, because I need money to invest. If I don't have any contributions, it's going to hold me back where I want to snowball those investments. So we want to start saving, even if it's just $10 a week, $100 a month, $500 a month if we can. Whatever you can do, the snowball has to start rolling down the hill. And if you don't start, it never grows. And time and compounded growth are your best friends. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. So, if possible, we want to start contributing the maximum amount we can every year. So what does that mean? If you're under age 50, that $7,000 a year is about $583 a month. For reference, the average car payment in America right now is over $600 a month. You can do this, and it's a lot more important than a car payment. So if you can afford a car, you can afford to max out your Roth IRA. Now, I know it's difficult out there. It is very hard to make ends meet, and it's going to take some sacrifice and creativity to earn that extra money or save money somewhere to make that contribution. But I promise you, if you can get on this path, you'll start to gain momentum and confidence, and it'll be something so easy to do in the future, it will blow your mind. Now let's run the numbers. Assuming a 15% annual rate of return, which I'll explain how we get there in a moment. Some of you might be a little concerned or freaking out, just hang tight. Let's say at age 20, just $45 a month will get you $1 million by age 67. Just $45 a month. That's like $1.50 a day. Now at age 30, it would take $145 a month to get that same $1 million at age 67. But if you can put in that $583 a month at age 30, you'll hit that $1 million in just 21 years. That's age 51. So stay consistent, and by age 60, that account actually grows to $3.8 million, tax-free. That's the power of compounding interest. Now, the next half of this equation is the investing, wise investing, because we want to get the biggest rate of return, which will get us to our goals faster. Now, here's the secret to getting those 10 to 15% returns. It's self-directing your IRA. And what that means is you invest in what you know best. If it's crypto, it's crypto. If it's real estate, it's real estate. Precious metals, gold, stock, bonds, ETFs, individual stocks, whatever you know, That's what I want you to invest in. And you can. You have that power. An IRA doesn't mean just Wall Street investments. An IRA is like a vehicle, and you're the driver of that car. You can have whatever investment you want in the back seat. Now, what most Americans are familiar with is what we'd call a standard IRA. It's invested in marketable securities, the stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You're on your app with Fidelity or Schwab or whatever, investing in what they allow you to invest in. But a self-directed Roth IRA or even a traditional IRA allows you to invest in any alternative asset that you want to invest in. I personally invested in rental property, ranching, like owning cattle. I've invested in a crypto mine inside my Roth IRA. I've done lending and even invested in oil and gas or small startups. Let's talk about someone you might know or heard in the news, Peter Thiel. He was one of the co-founders of PayPal and one of the first outside investors in Facebook. He started with less than $5,000 in his Roth IRA in 1999. Today, that account is worth over $6 billion, tax-free. He invested his Roth IRA in what he knew, and it was these tech startups. The lesson: learn about self-directing and invest in what you know. Now, here's the final trick. It's staying consistent and keeping the right mindset. Building $1 million Roth IRA isn't about quick wins. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow scheme, and that's okay. It makes sense. The market will have ups and downs, and that's normal. Your income's going to vary. You're going to have bad months and good months, bad years and good years. What matters is staying consistent, disciplined, and most importantly, patient. This isn't about a one-time contribution. The real key is consistent saving, investing month after month, year after year, and investing in what can get you the best rate of return. That's what builds the $1 million Roth IRA. So what do we do next? It's all about learning and getting professional help. Continued education is critical. Please work with professionals and keep learning. Surround yourself with other people who understand these strategies and have the same goals as you. I've been helping clients with this for over 20 years. My partner and I, Matt Sorensen, founded Directed IRA, a trust company to help people self-direct their retirement accounts into real estate, crypto, notes, small businesses, and more. And if you're ready to take control and start growing your wealth for the long term, check out Directed IRA at the link in the description below. We'll help you open an account so you can self-direct and invest in what you know best. That's all. Really, it can be that simple, and you can do this. I've seen so many clients do this. I'm doing it, and it's just that consistent investing that will help you get to the savings account you want for your future. This is really one of the most powerful wealth building strategies I know. And after watching this video, you can make use of this same knowledge to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to check out Directed IRA at the link below. We have all sorts of resources to help you with our podcast, our website, and even live chat with team members at our office. And finally, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Please hit the button, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and don't miss all the great content we've got coming up. I'm Mark Kohler, and I'll catch you in the next one.